Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off traffic layer in Google Maps. If you no longer want to see live traffic colors like green, orange, and red on the map, you can turn off the traffic layer in just a few taps. So on Android or iPhone, go ahead and open Google Maps app. Now tap the layers button. It's the stack squares in the top right corner, just below your initial. So click on that. Now under map details, tap traffic to turn it off. So as you can see, traffic is highlighted. So once you click that or once you tap traffic, so the highlight will disappear, indicating the layer is disabled. So let's do that. Let's tap traffic, and as you can see, the highlight disappeared. So that means the layer is now disabled or turned off. And that's it. So again, just click the stack squares in the top right corner, then click traffic until the highlight disappeared. And that means it's disabled. So on a computer, you can open Google Maps in your web browser, click layers in the bottom left corner, then click traffic to disable the traffic overlay. Now, if the traffic layer keeps turning back on when you reopen Google Maps, make sure the app is updated. So, Google Maps is designed to remember your last layer setting, so repeatedly resetting it may indicate an app issue. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.